Today we are discussing about excretion. So previous classes, what are things we are discussing? Nutrition, respiration, transportation and all. Okay. So today we are discussing about excretion. So excretion means removal of harmful waste from the body is called excretion. So some tissues and organs also helping for that excretion. So they are called excretory organs. So excretion is in both animals and plants also having these processes there. So first we are discussing in the human beings. Next one, excretion in human beings. So what are the major waste products in human beings? Carbon dioxide and nitrogenous waste. Okay. So carbon dioxide we are expelled through the respiration. Respiring time we are removing this carbon dioxide out and we are taking oxygen. And then we want to filter that nitrogenous waste. Then who will filter this one? Kidney is the major organ for excreting the nitrogenous waste in the blood. Okay. Not only this kidney, okay, skin, liver, lungs also are helping for excreting our waste materials from our body. Human excretory system consisting of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters and a urinary bladder and urethra. So first one is kidney. Kidney, what they will do? Excess water, nitrogenous waste and excess salt and poisonous substance are filtering from the blood. Next portion is the ureter. Ureter means it is a long tube connected from the kidney and the urinary bladder. From the kidney, the filtering this poisonous substance or waste materials, that is the urine. Urine is coming through that ureter only. Ureter is a thick tube, okay. It is a thick tube. Next portion is the urinary bladder. It is a hollow muscular sac. Okay, it is a hollow muscular sac, and here is the place where urine is temporarily storing. Okay. Next portion is the urethra. Urethra means urine is got from the body through urethra. So, which is the structural and functional unit of kidney? It is nephron. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney, and filtering unit of the body also nephron only. Okay. So each kidney having more than 10 lakhs of nephrons are there. So one end of the nephron is a cup shaped. So we call it as Bowman's capsule. Next portion is a highly coiled tube like structure. Okay. It is called tubule. So the other end is open to the urine collecting duct of kidney. So the Bowman's capsule having a bunch of capillaries are there. So we call it as glomerulus. Okay. It is the filtrating point. So urine formation in the nephron consisting of 3 steps, which are the glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption and secretion. From the glomerulus, a large portion of blood is oozed out into the Bowman's capsule. It contains glucose, amino acid, salt and major amount of water. So after this, blood is going to that tubule only, no? So the useful substances are reabsorbed back to the blood from the tubule. So at last in the tubule there is only the waste materials like urea, creatinine, sulfate and all, no? So this waste is what? That is urine, no? That is collecting in the urinary bladder through ureter. So in case any infection or damage happen to our kidneys, what is next? What will do? If like that means our kidney will not work, no? If kidney will not work means from the blood the nitrogenous waste will not go from our body. So like that means it will leads to death also. If the condition is like that, one option is kidney transplantation. So it has so much issues behind it, means we need to matching kidneys and etc etc etc. So next option is dialysis. Dialysis means excrete the nitrogenous waste through the artificial kidney. Next is excretion in plants. So plants having the process that is photosynthesis. So what is the byproducts or waste of photosynthesis? That is oxygen. Okay. So the plants are using this oxygen for respiration. They also want to breathe, no? So they are using for this one for respiration, and the extra oxygen is expelled through stomata. Next process is respiration. So what is the byproducts of respiration? Carbon dioxide is the major waste product, no? So they are using this carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. They need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. So they are using this carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Again there is extra carbon dioxide is there, means that they will expel through stomata. So majority of the plant cells are dead cells. So large amount of waste are stored in the dead cells only. Other some mechanisms are peeling of bark, falling of leaf, shedding of roots. Like that also they can remove the waste. Okay. Excess water is gone through transpiration, and some waste they diffuse into the soil through roots.